Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. In this session, I will demonstrate how to create a text reveal using Filmora. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. Import a video like this. This video you can download from pixabay.com. If you can't find this particular type of video, don't worry. I've included it in the video description. Add a title to the timeline. Adjust the length of the title. Change the text of the title. Set the size, position, and format of the text. Add the video again at the top of the video track. Keep the playhead at the starting point of the timeline. Select the video of the top layout. Go to Mask and add Linear Mask. Hide the text completely by changing the position of the mask. At the starting point of the timeline, the complete text will be hidden behind the mask. Add the first keyframe. Move the playhead position to where the bike starts moving. Add the second keyframe. You can see both the keyframes here. Lock the below two layers. It will help to select the mask. Forward the playhead and change the position of the mask. A keyframe is added to the mask every time its position is changed. That's all from today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.